So, Scalextric Champion Tourers C1122. Now the first thing to note about this is it's heavy. It's very heavy, and it says on the side of it, warning, 8.4 kilograms. For a Scalextric box, that is unusually heavy. And according to the diagram on the front, it does say that there's 10 meters of track. So in we go. And it is a box full mainly of track. That's where the cars should be. And they're not there. There is a classic style controller. That is another controller. And it is sport track, so that's good. A little bit corroded there, but I'm sure that'll clean up okay. And the first thing that you notice is what a lot of track. Wow, look at all of those. Oh my goodness. More track. More track, and the old style sport power base. More track, and then some track supports. Sadly no cars, which seems to be the common theme so far. Here we go, look. I'm not sure that that is actually the instructions for this set, however, because these instructions show a crossover piece, and there isn't a crossover piece in this set. So perhaps that is missing. Doesn't look like there's a crossover piece. So that is another incomplete set. But just look how much track you get in this set. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 straights. 2 crossover bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bends. So in terms of a complete set and cars, a bit of a disappointment, but in terms of track, that's an amazing set. So if you're looking to find some second-hand track cheaply, this would be the set to look for. So look, there it is, Champion Tourers. It is set number C1122 Champion Tourer set, and you get 10 meters of sport track. So I should imagine if you look for one of these on eBay, that is a very good way of obtaining a lot of track quite cheaply, I should imagine. I'm going to have a look on eBay in a moment to see. In fact, let's do it now. Let's have a look on eBay just to see if any of these sets are available, because that is a very cheap way of obtaining a lot of decent track. So Scalextric C1122. No, Scalextric Champion Tourers. No matches. Super Tourers, £32, but not Champion Tourers. That is a set to look out for. If you find one of these second hand cheap, you know, 30 quid or whatever, that is definitely worth buying, just for the sheer amount of track that comes with it. But sadly it's not a complete set, so I'm gonna salvage the track, ditch the polystyrene, probably save the front box artwork, and on to the next one.